I just bought the Samsung Galaxy A15. In this video, we will do an unboxing and at the end, we'll go over its main specs. I have high hopes for this new device. I've owned both the Galaxy A13 and A14, but this one feels special. Samsung has finally made a great entry-level phone that is more attractive than a cheap Xiaomi phone. In the box, we have the usual Samsung papers in the compartment above the phone. You'll also find an USB-C to USB-C cable for charging. Unfortunately, there's no power brick included. Behind the phone is something very useful, the small tool to open the SIM tray. The phone is covered in this nice paper. You can either tear the bottom side or gently open it from the back. I have to say, I haven't even fully unboxed everything and the phone already feels great in the hand. There's a big difference between seeing it online and actually holding it. I was expecting a more comfortable and premium feel than its predecessor, and the A15 delivers. Additionally, this budget phone has a great design. I like the plastic back with its cool reflections, and in this blue color, it's the best choice for me. It doesn't look or feel like a $150 smartphone. On the left side, we have the SIM tray. Above, on the top, there's a noise-canceling microphone. On the right side, we have the volume buttons and the lock button, which also contains a fingerprint reader. On the bottom, there's a handy 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, an USB-C port, and the loudspeaker behind that straight line. It gives the phone a nice futuristic look. All in all, when it comes to design, I really like the Samsung Galaxy A15. It doesn't look or feel like a cheap phone. Now, let's also see its main specs. First of all, this phone is almost 1 cm shorter than its predecessor, the A14. I'll do a separate vlog where I compare the two. Samsung has now equipped this entry-level phone with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display. It features a 90Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus resolution, and achieves up to 800 nits of peak brightness. So the A15's screen is roughly 50% brighter than the A14's. Also, the base model now comes with 128GB of internal storage. If you want, you can buy the 256GB version, but there's no need for that, as the memory is also expandable via a microSD card. When it comes to hardware performance, we must remember that this is an entry-level phone. The CPU and GPU are good enough for multitasking, but not great for gaming. On the bright side, we get Android 14 on this device and up to 3 major OS updates. On the back, whether you buy the A15 4G or 5G, the cameras are the same. A 50MP main camera, an ultra-wide, and a macro camera. I appreciate that Samsung has included an ultra-wide lens on both versions of this phone. However, what I don't like is the video resolution. We only get Full HD at 30 frames per second. The battery is large and long-lasting. With a 5000 mAh capacity, it's quite good. On top of that, the A15 now charges faster. It supports 25 watts while its predecessor only supported 15 watts. This was the unboxing and a quick look at the specs of a Samsung Galaxy A15. If you want to see more videos on this channel, press that like and that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.